So hello everyone. So I have decided to make a video on workout routine. In that videos I'm going to include how to perform a specific muscle, and how to train, uh, how many sets, how many variations. I'm going to show you everything. I'm not only going to uh, speak about that. In that I'm going to show you how a muscle should be trained, how many sets, how many variations, a full-fledged workout routine. It's not only for beginners, intermediates, anyone can follow that routine. I've shown a clear movement for every workout. uh, Hope that videos might clear your doubts on performing any muscle. So I hope that video might be helpful for beginner as well as intermediate who started their journey. So don't take any resolution this year. Just start your fitness journey now and today itself. So sometimes later becomes never. So start your fitness journey. Don't take any resolution, don't plan yourself, just start. Also I have incorporated yoga stretches after workout, before workout, which is compulsory. I have shown in this video, you can watch that. I know everyone says which split you have to follow, which workout you have to follow, which sets, how many variations, but no one says how yoga and stretches are important to recover your muscle before workout, after workout. As a beginner, when I started my fitness journey, I was having many doubts, how many sets I have to perform, how many variations I have to perform, how many reps. There were many doubts. I've learnt all by myself, uh, like watching some YouTube videos, and over I fixed my workout routine, which I've been following for 3 years. So I thought I should share this my personal workout routine to all of you, so you can follow. I just finished my workout. Sun is flashing on my face. Thank you. Goodbye.
So our first muscle is going to be chest. We all know how to perform incline dumbbell press, but what we don't know is the movement, the perfect movement, how the chest incline dumbbell press is performed. So I'm pushing them until my arms are straight and lowering them back slowly so that I can get that uh, muscle connection and stress to my muscle. So we are going to perform 3 sets of incline dumbbell press, hit up to failure, and it can be 10, it can be 12. Just focus on your movement and your eccentric motion. Perform clean and neat set. Each and every rep should be counted. So our second variation is going to be bench press. You can use machine or you can use barbell. In machine, the only difference between machine and the barbell is, in machine you can't go wrong. The exact movement can be achieved in machine. So i I personally use machine for all my chest workouts. For bench press, perform 3 sets, and every set should be achieved failure. Each and every rep should be countable. As I said, in incline, feel that stretch, feel that muscle connection, and you're good to go. And perform 3 sets or 4 sets. Every also, don't go on weights, don't go stacking up weights. Just perform clean and neat set. That's it. So last variation for chest is going to be flies. So flies you can use rope or you can use machine. So I prefer machine. So same as bench press and incline, we have to perform 3 sets and every rep should be countable. Every rep should be focused. Flies is mainly targeted muscle is pecs. Since I'm following push pull legs, it's not only for push pull legs. You can follow these chest variations to any splits. Uh, it can be bro split. It can be full body. You can follow these variations. What I personally say is 3 variations is more than enough for chest workout. You can add up one more fourth variation if you want. Muscle we are going to see is back, aka lats. So our first variation is what I personally start with back is bent over rows. It can be done in dumbbell or barbell, but I personally prefer to use barbell. Start by loading a barbell with an appropriate weight and grip the barbell with an overhead grip. Keep your back straight, core engaged, and neck in line with your spine. Ensure your arms are fully extended as you hold the barbell in front of your legs. Maintain a natural spine and avoid rounding your back. Inhale as you lower the weight and exhale as you pull the barbell up. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions for 3 to 4 sets depending on your uh, level of fitness. Second variation is going to be for back is lat pull down, which targets lats, and follow 3 to 4 sets and go until failure. Use wide grip and pull the bar to your chest while keeping your back straight. Just keep your back straight and pull them and leave it slowly. Feel that lats muscle connection and leave it slowly. Third variation is going to be for back is rowing. So I use this rowing machine. So I prefer using machine instead of dumbbells or barbell. Leave it slowly and pull them until you get that muscle tightness in your back. Keep your back straight while you are pulling that handles. So don't stack your weights, don't put any heavy weights. Just go what you can uh, perform easily and not going wrong. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps for optimal rear delt fly. It can be performed in dumbbells or it can be performed in machine. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. So I always prefer machines, as I said, in chest, also in back. I always prefer machine instead of going with dumbbells. Muscle we are focusing is leg. So I'm going to start with this machine which gets a good stretch in my inner leg muscle. Before performing my leg workout, I start with this machine. I start with this machine as a warm up, and then I start with first variation, which is lunges. So we all know how lunges is performed. Take a big step forward with one leg. Lower your back knee towards the ground, keeping your front knee aligned with your ankle. Aim for 3 sets for Aim for 3 sets of 12 reps per leg. Aim for 3 sets of 12 reps per leg. A second variation for legs is this hamstring machine. Slightly bent your legs fully extended. Your arms should rest on the handles for stability. Once your leg is fully curled, hold for a brief second at the top of the movement, squeezing your hamstrings for maximum contraction. This pause helps you to activate the muscle fully. Repeat the movement for a desired number of repetitions, usually 10 to 12 reps and 3 to 4 sets. So my third variation is leg extension. So I perform 4 to 5 sets and 10 to 12 reps, which I go up to failure, squeezing your quads to maximize muscle contraction. Slowly lower the weight back to the starting position, controlling the movement as you bend your knees. And my last variation for leg is calves. I am performing seated calf raises. You can also perform standing calf raises.